So Xiaomi just released a new device called the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro, otherwise known as the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro Max in India. And in this video I'll be covering all you need to know about this device. My name is Tayo. I make tech content like this, so subscribe if you haven't and you are interested in tech videos like this. And with all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Right out of the bat, the Redmi Note 10 Pro is made up of Corning Gorilla Glass 5 both at the front and at the back with a plastic frame, and you are getting this for roughly 105,000 naira or $275. Oh, and it comes in three colors, which are onyx gray, glacier blue and gradient bronze. I personally love the onyx gray color and I would like to know yours, so comment down your favorite color of this device in the comment section below. The Redmi Note 10 Pro has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display that is capable of 1200 nits with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, which is good for a device at this price range, and you won't have any issues with consuming content on this display. It comes right out of the box with Android 11 and their MIUI 12 skin on top of it, which is okay since Android 12 is in development. By the way, I made a video on Android 12. The link will be provided to watch the video in the description and the iCard above. And if you're enjoying this video so far, click on that like button for the YouTube algorithm since it helps the channel a lot. Thank you. It runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 735G processor, which is an 8nm processor that will be capable of virtually everything you will throw at it, coupled with the fact that it has 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of UFS 2.2 storage for the maxed out version. Although there are other variants like the 6GB and 64GB of storage variant and the 6GB and 128 gigs of storage variant. Now I wouldn't recommend anyone to get the variant with the 64GB of internal storage because I just think 64 gigs of internal storage is small in 2021 standards. But hey, you do have the benefit of a micro SD card, so yeah, you can get it if you want, but I don't think you should get it just because 64 gigs is smaller. And moving on to the cameras, it has a quad camera setup consisting of a 108 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 5 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Videos from the camera maxes out at 4K 30 frames per second as well as 1080p 30 frames per second on the 60 megapixel selfie camera. The Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with a 5020 mAh battery that should last you a day on fairly intensive use cases, and you should be able to juice it back from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes since it has a 33 watts fast charger and charging capability. And yes, it does come with a charging brick. We rarely get those these days. Other features of the device are IP53 dust and splash protection, NFC for the global variant except India, USB Type-C and 120Hz refresh rate, which is just amazing for a device at this price range. And I will totally recommend this device for anyone who is interested, especially if you have the budget for this device. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you loved it, click on that subscribe button. And if you have any question on this video, place them down in the comment section below. I'll be going through them. And note that this is not a review, this is just a video giving you the specs and my thoughts on the device. And yes, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.